My video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the new ransomware called RSA-4096. RSA-4096 is a new ransomware that may attack many Windows computers these days. My video, though, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of the ransomware and I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your data. Even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you recover the data. Before the ransomware attack, you're able to open the files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this RSA-4096 ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer, and then very soon users may suddenly realize that they can no longer access their data. This particular ransomware encrypts the files and damages them. So these are the consequences of the ransomware's attack. The ransomware reveals a couple of text windows, and these TXT windows contain the ransom note, indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration. The ransomware also appends this RSA-4096 extension to the file names. But I urge you not to pay the ransom and not to waste your money. If you pay that ransom, that's a mistake. That's just the waste of your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Go to this official website combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and once it gets installed, start researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and then the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of ransomware infections. After the scanning has been completed, Combo Cleaner will show you the summary of the threats. In the summary, you will be able to know the exact locations of threats on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, your data will always be protected. And by the way, you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data. So, Combo Cleaner will help you to remove the ransomware. It will help you to protect the data. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but you may find a special link in the description to this video, which will help you to get more an understanding about how to possibly recover your data.